Hi guys, so today I've just literally got a parcel from my Hermes, which is this, and I have opened it because I didn't know what it was, but I haven't peeked inside, if that makes sense. So it comes like this. So this is a new subscription box that I've just signed up to, called Pretty Obsessed. Now they have two different types of subscriptions. They have, I think it's $14.99 and you get 5 makeup items, or the luxury one, which is the one that I've ordered, which is $24.99, and you get 10 items. And then you pay your postage on top. But your first box, I believe you get free postage with the code that I'll put down below for you anyway. So this is how it comes. Try not to let everything fall out. So that's how it is. So you get a basic little leaflet that's in there. It doesn't tell you like any of the prices or anything of the things that you get in the box. And then this is all the goodies that's inside. So I'll go through these like one by one. Obviously I don't know any of the prices for them. Let's see. So refer a friend, free shipping on their box with the referral code. Simply log in, and obviously I'll put my referral code down below. The really good thing is on here it says if you're not happy with your box, if you receive your box and are not happy with it, please email us to resolve any issues before leaving negative feedback. So by the sounds of it, they will, if you're not happy with maybe one of the products that's in the box, they will send you something different. Although you're not meant to know what you're going to get anyway, which I think is really good, because sometimes you get some stuff that you wouldn't never use. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Right, so first thing I've got is this. So this is Anatomicals Get Out of My Face Dirtball Apricot Face Scrub. I love that. And I love the little illustration on the back. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's going to focus for me. But it's basically just one like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Little face scrub. Next thing I have is a cranberry sugar lip scrub by Beauty Tree. It's all natural lip scrub. So that's that. Where the writing were on it, I thought it might have been a Lush product, but it's not. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's cruelty free, not tested on animals, so that's good. Next we have some Beauty Creations banana setting powder. I've never used setting powder in my life, but I'm willing to give things a go. Wow, this is so cute. This is a Maybelline New York. Is it Gigi Hadid? Is it Gigi Hadid? Lipstick? Now, I love that colour. I would use that colour. Oh, yes. Oh, I like that. That's very nice. And that is in Tora? I don't know if you can see that. Come on, focus. Focus! No, it's not going to focus. But yeah, I like that one. What we've got here. Oh, this is his. This is Unicorn Glow Glitter Highlighter and Illuminating Drops. Who's the brand? Oh, and it's in the shade Green Shamrock. Doesn't look overly greeny though. I'm trying to see what. Atolia? I've never heard of that brand. That looks pretty fun. What's this then? We've got another lip product. So this is Bourjois Paris Lip Duo Sculpt. And this is in Grenade Inn. Ooh. Wow. You see that? It's like 2 different shades. So. Ooh. What's that one? That's pretty cool. Oh, is it 3 shades? Oh no, is it 2 or 3? I can't make my mind up. No, I think it's just 2. That's pretty cool, that. So obviously that acts as your lip liner as well. I'm trying to like leave the biggest product to last, but I'm getting really giddy. So the next one is LA Girl Lip Liner in Auburn, which is this. Obviously that's the shade, which would go really nice with obviously the lipstick. One thing I've never really used is lip liners. I don't know why. Never. I'll do a little swatchy. Oh wow, that is really nice. Looking at it now, it probably wouldn't go anywhere near the lipstick, but that is a really nice lip. That really nice colour. We've got Amore Us Makeup Fix Setting Spray Natural Finish with Aloe Extract, which is this one, and this one's cruelty free as well. We have a Loose Pigment in Lilac, but I don't know what that brand is. Oh, is it that way around? Not sure what the brand is, but I do like a bit of loose pigment. Oh, it's nice. It's not like over the top either. It's really, can you see there? I swatched it in such an awkward place, but yeah, that's really nice. I like that. And last but not least is this, which is a Technique limited edition Galaxia eye palette. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'll take the little. So those are the shades, and you get a proper mirror on it. Oh, they are so pretty. Right, let me see if I can try and do a swatch. Oh wow. They're a bit like crumbly. Well, the glitters are. Yeah, they're not super pigmented, but I'm sure I can work with them. No, they're not very pigmented at all. Where did I get to gold? Can't see the gold. This is probably the worst swatching ever. Last but not least. So, you can see they're not stupidly like. Let's see if I can get a better swatch. I think they're more like building sort of shadows, but they are so pretty. Like the actual colours of them are really pretty. Like I would definitely use some of them. I might even try like colours that I wouldn't normally use, like maybe the greens. So I've never really used green. I think I've done one look with the green eyeshadow before. So, but yeah, that is so cool. Yeah, that is really cool. So I'll try my best to hold them all up. I'm really sorry, like my camera's really high up today. It won't stay where I want it to. So just to quickly go through them again. I've got the eye palette. I've got the loose pigment. I've got the Maybelline lipstick. I've got the setting powder. I've got the highlighter, setting spray. I've got the lip scrub. I've got another lipstick. I've got the lip liner, and then I have the face scrub. So all in all, I'm super happy with them. For 10 items for $24.99 is amazing. So I'm really happy with all the products that I've received, and the colours as well. I will pretty much use every single colour like that I have received in there, and I'm looking forward to trying like the new things. Like I'm really intrigued about this, like, you know, I can't wait to use this. So if you like this box, let me know what you think of it, because I've not seen many people get this box before. So comment below, let me know what you think about it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and press the little bell as well, so then you'll get notifications every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.